This is a hobby video for all ages. I take no claims to any and all trademark and copywritten content. Nemesis Prime, the evil clone of Optimus Prime. Venom, born when the symbiote was rejected by Spider-Man. Negaduck, the Negaverse counterpart of Darkwing Duck. Heroes who have evil twins is a classic concept, one the Kamen Rider franchise is no stranger to. Most of these evil writers are recolors of lead writers in their primary forms. But the writer we're looking at is a recolor of Kamen Rider GeatsIX's final form. Something that happened only one other time. This is his Rider Core ID. This rider is a world-destroying criminal from the future, and the arch-villain of the movie, Kamen Rider Geats, Four Aces, and the Black Fox. In that movie, Geats was split into four, each one containing one aspect of his personality. The criminal captured 3 out of 4 of Geats' split selves, declaring the 4th as useless. The 3 that were captured, which embodied Geats' strength, intelligence, and luck, were used to create the XGeats Buckle. For reasons I have specified, it's a recolor of the Boost Mark 9 buckle. Using it as one piece will get you the same Boost Mark 3 sound as with Geats. But things are different when you split it in 2. Doing that allows the criminal to become Geats's, or more accurately, Geats 9's, Dark Rider counterpart. Kamen Rider Cross Geats! Henshin! Say goodbye. I love how evil the standby music is. Splitting this buckle plays one long, eerie note. Attaching the two halves to the desire driver plays intense music. The kind that gives you the feeling that the final boss of a video game just stepped into the room. If those tunes fill you with terror and dread, good. Using this corrupted version of GeatsI's power, XGeats succeeds in destroying the world. The 1/4 Geats and his allies were powerless to stop him. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. If you dare. No. We are not ending the video like this. The shadow figure may want you to walk away from this feeling hopeless and scared, but I do not. So first off, I will cancel out the feelings of the evil music with the original uncorrupted version. That, of course, being the standby music of Kamen Rider Geats 9. Henshin! Next, the shadow figure once again deliberately withheld certain facts. So I need to rectify that. XGeats succeeding in destroying the world is true. In fact, he turned it into a barren wasteland. Geats being powerless, on the other hand, isn't. While 3/4 of Geats that XGeats captured embodied his strength, intelligence, and luck, the 1/4 that remained embodied his perseverance, allowing him to use the Oneness Raise Buckle and transform into Kamen Rider Geats Oneness. In this form, he defeated XGeats, took back the power he stole, and became whole again. Oh, and he used his inherited power of creation to return the world to its former glory.
In other words, a happy ending. In your face, shadow figure! Now then, let's have some fun with these identical raise buckles. Using both left halves in the Desire driver will play the Boost Mark III transformation twice. If I were to sum up using both right halves in one word, it would be chaotic. And that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.
Wait a minute. I already said that. What the? He cancelled out my fear-inducing effects. I'm going to get him for this. I swear it.